Hey guys, welcome back to Nature's Cadence Farm. We're here at the farm today and we're going to be working on preparing to put in our new timeless fence system that we have on order. It should be delivered today actually. So what we're going to do is we're going to start clearing a trail, a lane for us to get the fencing in. So we're going to have to go down the hill, along the creek, kind of back up the hill, and then back to us at this corner. So we kind of started here because this is an area we want to get cleared off. So that's the plan. But yeah, so let's get some tools out. I've got my DR mower here, which we've used. We've owned this for 10 years now or something like that, a long time. It's been a very heavy duty piece of equipment. So we got that, and let's see, what else do we have here? We've got our tractor. So we've got our tractor here. I've got my brush cutter, which you'll see, you should be able to have watched the review on this by the time this video comes out. So that's a 5-in-1 brush cutter. It comes with a string head, a brush head, a pole saw, and a hedge trimmer head, and then the actual unit. And this is an old Robin NB26, which I think there's a video, might be a video of this out there too. Either way, got some mixed gas and some straight gas. Oh, and I got my actual Echo HC-150s. I've had these for a long time. It works very well at cleaning up brush. So we're just going to kind of give you a video of what we're going to do. So let's get started. Alright, well, you can see we got a pretty good little trail here put in, and it goes on down. Right now Mrs. Cadence is measuring off the distance down with a little wheel. We have one of those little walk behind kind of wheel things. So we're going to measure down the hill, and then we cut across there, which you can probably see in the previous video there. Cut across, so now we're going to figure out where we need to end up going kind of this way, since we've gone down and across now. So we've got a little road here that can go between these kind of two fields, which we'll show you when we get them cut in. And so that way we'll know how far to go over when we get to cutting this next run over. So this is along the driveway here, so one of the fences is going to go here. We're going to actually make two sets of fences with the area that we have. So one's going to go along the road line, and then one's going to go in between the two, and then one will be down in the bottom where we already cut across. So yeah, let's see how many feet Mrs. Cadence came up with. Alright, so Mrs. Cadence came back with some numbers for us, and it looks like we have 182 feet going straight behind me in that first one, and then cutting back this way is 109 feet that way. So that means this side is going to be about 109 feet, and this side here is going to be about 182 feet. So we did some math, and we figured about 8 feet apart on our posts for our timeless fence system PVC post that we've got coming. And so we came up with a little bit of math, ended up with 74 total posts, just kind of for the run, you know, for the outside parts. And in the corners, we're going to do metal T-posts and these special little brackets. So anyways, so that's what we came up with, and we used this Johnson measuring wheel here, and that worked really well. So we've got that for some other things, and it works perfect for laying out fences. So that's what we're doing. We're going to continue bush hogging and cleaning up. We broke the tractor out. Got a few things to do with that, and we've got some more chainsawing to do. We got some more brush clearing to do. So let's get these fence lines put in, so we'll be ready to put the posts in when we get them in. Alright, you can see how all this turned out down here. So everything is cleared off going down the hill there, and then over here we left that big stump in the way. Over here I kind of cleaned out this road that goes through here, as you can see there. This was an old logging path that was fairly easy to get in and get cleaned out. So I've got like a corner here, and then down I'll take you down and show you how it all turned out down here. So you can see the bush hog and the chainsaw and the hedge trimmer, and Mrs. Cadence came through and she helped clean up some of these extra sticks here. She used that Milwaukee hacksaw to kind of clean this edge up real nice. She did a great job with that. And so you can see here, you know, it's plenty wide. It's probably 8 feet wide through here, which is good. We wanted to be able to walk on both sides of it to maintain it. That was the idea, because this is going to be a permanent fence with the timeless fence posts. And then, so down here we have another. So I started going down the hill here, and then Mrs. Cadence pointed out that this was just a little too steep. I know it doesn't show it very well, but it was just a little steep there. But so then we made another corner right here and cut across that way, right where Jake is standing. Hi, Jake. Yes. And so we came over here, cleaned this off. This got a little wide because I got downhill a little too far from where I wanted to be, and so this is where the fence is going to go. And you know, it took us, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours or something to clean up that first row that you saw was 180 feet, and then this is a little over 100 feet. So we came down to here, and then it's going to kind of weave and wind up the hill there. You can see where I cut a trail to go around there, because the rest of this was just too steep, too hilly to get the equipment on, so we didn't figure that the animals would like it either. So my initial thought was I went up through here with the tractor and made a straight run up, but it ended up being a really small kind of at the top of it. It was really small, not where we wanted to be. So I kind of misjudged where I needed to be, but either way, it's all good. It's just sticks and dirt, right? I mean, how much can you really mess up? All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it for today. we got everything cleared off that we wanted to get cleared off, and that wasn't too bad. So stay tuned. We'll should have some fence posts in here pretty soon, and some rope, some electrified rope. That's the plan. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.